Yeah, nginenkalakatha yekhosi la. Orlando Pirates 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. We talk football SA. Sikhalo, uthini kabi yami?
Ngiyaphila unjani Time?
Hayi, number 1.
Yebo Time. Hayi, kuhle ezweni. Ngijabulile namhlanje. Ngidlala nabo makhelwane ungakhohlwa. Mawungena inyoka memeza umakhelwane uthi emakhelwane uzonginceda la.
Yebo.
So umakhelwane ngibonile uthi ngathi umakhelwane laba bakude le Maraba Stad.
Yeah.
Bozohlekisa ngathi yabona.
Oh bana.
Ngiyamdonsa. Uzohleka ngathi labo makhelwane laba abambana. Ikorkop.
Yeah.
So ngathi no ukuthi ngibe safe ithi ngibambe kahle umakhelwane nami ngithole something naye athole something ukuthi ngibe khona lapha. So umakhelwane ungawari ngizokubulalela yena. Usase ungakhala
6 May.
Ngizombulala.
Yeah.
So wena ungakali ongakwati ngokuphetheka angokubulalanga. Umuntu engizombulala.
Yeah.
Yeah. Osuka kude. Bawazi uyosicabanisa la eSoweto makhelwane.
Yeah.
Nawe umuntu engizombulala.
Yeah.
So game ihambe kahle, but I'll give my coaches 7 out of 10.
Yes.
I-3 ngithathela ukuthi their substitutions they were not on point. I'm really not happy with how we subbed our players.
Yes.
For example, a player Efana no Lilepo was not supposed to have lasted the minutes that he played.
Yes.
From the first half. He showed that he's not effective.
Losing free kicks,
losing the ball, not putting the pressure on the Pirates defender. Like the Pirates defenders, they didn't really feel the pressure from him, if you have to be honest.
Yeah.
So we really had to put someone who was going to be offensive. Even if we subbed him and put Villegas, I don't know why we didn't put Villegas today. If you put someone like Villegas and then start to Duba and making a false striker, we would have moved.
Yes.
Like Mabua today was not effective because they lacked someone who was going to make them tick.
They didn't have anyone to give the ball to.
No, they really didn't.
Yes.
But also, hence I'm giving them 7.
Yeah.
I'm happy that they brought Ox.
Yes.
Hayi Nkuzmalanga he really bullied you. Uthatha umfana omncane wasesikolweni bathi president ase high school ngophi. Hayi beka le kude lena. Athatha apolice naye angekho because mekunenkunzi indala lapha yana umthetho.
Yeah.
Hayi they really played. Ndlovu really assisted even though he lost the balls. But in terms of neutralize the attack, remember Pirates Inswembu ya attack imnandi. For them to have neutralized them, for me, Nyachabo.
So Ndlovu lost balls. So Ndlovu has no balls right now.
He's got 1 ball.
Yeah. No. Thanks, Sikhalo. We talk football SA. Thank you.